Of how a security threat has been reported on board a Turkish airline that has forced the airline to make an emergency landing at the IGI airport. Vijay Kao is joining us with the latest details. Vijay, we understand that the cargo is being examined by security agencies and the Turkish flight has been isolated.
You far on your screens is the Turkish airline aircraft. That white color aircraft with the red tail is the Turkish airline aircraft. It in fact made an emergency landing at about 1:41 p.m. here at the T3 terminal of the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. This after the mirror in the bathroom of the plane had a bomb in cargo written on it, after which the closest ATC was in fact contacted. That was the Delhi airport, and after which the plane made an emergency landing at about 1:41 p.m. Over 140 passengers were immediately evacuated from this particular aircraft, after which the CISF's two teams, the Bomb Detection and Disposal Squad and also the QRT teams, were rushed in. The plane has been taken in fact to the isolation bay right now, where the CISF teams are in fact quarantining the plane. They are taking, they are actually sanitizing the entire cargo area of this aircraft. Now, if I may ask Mohan Singh, video journalist Mohan Singh, to show you the two areas, the two cargo areas of this plane are in fact open, and clearly the CISF teams are in fact scanning each and every piece of cargo, because there was a clear statement, there was a bomb scare, which statement in the mirror of the washroom of this plane which clearly said that there's a bomb in the cargo. We also know that senior officials of the CISF are right now present on the tarmac. They are personally supervising the entire operations at this particular moment. And as you can see on your screens is the Turkish airline aircraft. It has been kept away. It has been taken away to an isolation bay. Right now, there are several CISF officials, which includes personnel of the Bomb Detection and Disposal Squad and also the Quick Reaction Team, the QRT team. They're all present at this particular location right here at the T3 terminal of the Indira Gandhi International Airport. 1:41 p.m. is the time when this aircraft actually made a landing here at the Indira Gandhi Airport, after which it was immediately taken to an isolation bay where it is parked at the moment, where you can see on your screens right now several teams operating. They are scanning every piece of cargo